In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share your PowerPoint presentation during a Microsoft Teams meeting. This is an essential skill for professionals who often host or participate in remote meetings and need to present their content effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to ensure that you're in your Microsoft Teams meeting. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial to have everything set up before you start sharing your screen. Once you're in the meeting, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a toolbar with several options. Among these options, there's a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to sharing content with other participants. When you click on Share, a new menu will pop up, offering different sharing options. You'll notice choices for sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or a particular browser tab. Since our focus today is on presenting a PowerPoint, you're going to want to click on Screen, Window, or Tab. This will ensure you have the right setup for presenting your slides beautifully. At this stage, make sure your PowerPoint presentation is open and ready to go. It's helpful to have it minimized or set up in another window before starting to share your screen. Now in the Share menu, go to the Window option. This will allow you to select your PowerPoint presentation directly, ensuring you're only sharing the content relevant to your meeting without any unnecessary distractions from other applications or tabs that might be open on your computer. Once you've selected your PowerPoint presentation under the Window options, you'll see a Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This final step is like the green light, signaling that you're ready to present. Your presentation will now be visible to all the participants in the meeting, and you can go through your slides just as you would in a physical meeting room. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully shared your PowerPoint presentation in your Microsoft Teams meeting. It's really that simple. This method not only helps keep your presentations focused, but also maintains professionalism by ensuring only your intended content is visible to your audience. I hope this guide makes your next presentation a breeze and enhances your remote collaboration experience. Remember, mastering these small technical skills adds up to a significant advantage in today's digital workplace. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video with more helpful tips and tricks.